Join me as I take on the challenge of learning the fascinating Turkish language. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of Turkish, a language that's often misunderstood, but rich in history and culture. With over 70 million native speakers, Turkish is an important language that deserves more attention. So let's dive in and discover what makes it so special. One of the biggest misconceptions about Turkish is that it's incredibly hard to learn. Many people think it's a complex language with too many grammar rules and exceptions. But in reality, Turkish grammar is relatively simple, with a logical structure and consistent rules. Another common misconception is that Turkish is a mix of Arabic and Persian, but it's actually a member of the Euro-Altaic language family, with influences from these languages due to historical and cultural exchange. Many people also believe that Turkish is a language of the past, with little relevance to modern times. However, Turkish is a vibrant language, spoken by millions of people around the world, and has a thriving cultural scene with many famous authors, poets, and musicians. Turkish is also an official language of the European Council, and Turkey is a member of the G20, making it an important language for international relations. Some people might think that Turkish is only spoken in Turkey, but it's actually spoken in many countries, including parts of the Balkans, the Middle East, and even parts of Europe. Turkish is a language that has been shaped by its history, with many loanwords from other languages, including Arabic, Persian, and French. Let's talk about some of the fascinating aspects of the Turkish language. One of the most interesting things about Turkish is its agglutinative structure, which means that words are formed by adding suffixes and prefixes to roots. This allows for a huge range of vocabulary, with over 100,000 words in common use. Turkish also has a unique system of vowel harmony, where the vowels in a word must follow specific patterns, making it a challenging but rewarding language to learn. Turkish is also a language that's full of loanwords from other languages, including Arabic, Persian, and French. This has given Turkish a rich cultural heritage, with words that reflect its history and cultural exchange. Another fascinating aspect of Turkish is its use of honorifics, where speakers use different forms of address to show respect or social status. This can be complex, but it's also a key part of Turkish culture and communication. Turkish is also a language that's full of idioms and proverbs, with many colorful expressions that give a glimpse into Turkish culture and humor. One of the things that sets Turkish apart is its rich history and cultural significance in literature and music. Turkish literature is famous for its epic poems, such as the Shahnameh, which tells the story of heroes and legends from Turkish mythology. Turkish music is also famous for its unique instruments, such as the oud and the ney, and its vibrant folk music traditions. In conclusion, Turkish is a language that's full of surprises, with a unique history, culture, and grammar that set it apart from other languages. Whether you're interested in language, culture, or history, Turkish has something to offer. So, let's give Turkish the recognition it deserves and celebrate its importance in a global context. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you learned Turkish? Or are you interested in learning more about this fascinating language? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other language-related videos.